Hey there, future mathematicians. Welcome back to Deji Tutorials, another exciting journey into the world of numbers and shapes. Are you ready to conquer trigonometry and find sides and angles of triangles faster than ever? Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Trigonometry might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, you'll see it's not as complicated as it looks. First things first, let's break down what trigonometry is all about. It's a branch of mathematics that studies the relationships between the sides and angles of triangles. Tri means three, gono means angle, and metri means measure. So trigonometry literally means the measurement of three angles. Put it all together, and you've got the mathematics of measuring angles in triangles. This is fundamental in various fields from engineering to astronomy. Now, in right-angled triangles, there's a special relationship between the angles and the sides. This relationship is the cornerstone of trigonometry. And here's a fun fact, we use the Greek letter theta to represent an angle. This symbol is universally recognized in trigonometry. Cool, right? It's like having a secret code that mathematicians all over the world understand. Alright, let's talk about the three main trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, and tangent. These are the tools you'll use to unlock the secrets of triangles. These functions help us find the sides and angles of right-angled triangles. They are essential for solving many real-world problems. First up, we have the sine function. The sine of an angle is a ratio that compares the length of the side opposite the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. The sine of an angle is equal to the length of the side opposite the angle divided by the length of the hypotenuse. This ratio is crucial for many calculations, so if you know these two lengths, you can find the sine of the angle. This is particularly useful in navigation and physics. Next, we have the cosine function. The cosine of an angle is another ratio comparing the length of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. The cosine of an angle is equal to the length of the side adjacent to the angle divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Easy peasy, right? This function is widely used in engineering. And finally, we have the tangent function. The tangent of an angle is a ratio that compares the length of the side opposite the angle to the length of the side adjacent to the angle. The tangent of an angle is equal to the length of the side opposite the angle divided by the length of the side adjacent to the angle. Simple as that. This function is often used in surveying. Now you might be wondering, how do we actually use these functions to solve right-angled triangles? It's simpler than you might think. Well, tables or calculators can give us approximate values for these functions. These tools are indispensable for quick and accurate calculations. With these values, we can solve for unknown sides or angles in no time. This is particularly useful in fields like architecture and physics. So, let's say you have a right-angled triangle and you know one acute angle and one side. You can use the trigonometric functions to calculate any other side. This method is reliable and efficient, or if you know two sides of a right-angled triangle, you can easily calculate any angle. This is a powerful tool in your mathematical toolkit. It's like magic, but it's all math. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more intuitive these concepts will become. The more you work with these functions, the easier it will become to find sides and angles of triangles. Consistent practice is key to mastering trigonometry. And before you know it, you'll be a trigonometry pro. You'll be able to tackle any problem with confidence and ease. So, grab your calculator and let's start solving those triangles. You've got this. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome math videos. See you next time. Keep practicing and stay curious.